All right, guys, so welcome back. So even though I'm sick, I've been working on the 6 disc rotor. I got the magnets in. This is the rotor that I came up with, and it fits beautifully on this spindle, this VCR spindle. And so once I put it back down, come on, get on there. It spins beautifully. I made this red cover to kind of hold the magnets in there. Everything is pressure fit, so nothing is glued. This is a pressure fit piece around the center piece. I'll take it apart and I'll show you guys the whole thing. So that goes on there. This guy is supported by a piece of plexiglass that's been glued to the actual come on. I'm gonna push that guy out of there. So that's a cap. So this cap goes, so this whole thing comes apart like this, right? So this cap goes on the outside of here, which goes through the center of this, which holds it all together. So this piece fits on here, nice and snug, too snug actually. This piece goes in here. This piece goes in there. Fits nice and snug, right? That guy goes on there. He goes on there. The whole 9 yards. You guys see that. What I need to do now is take the backing off of this because I don't need it. And I like clear, even though the backing's not going to hurt anything. Take the backing off and you can see where the glue is. And I use the number 16 acrylic glue and I glued it inside the house so that it doesn't, so that it would not be affected by the cold. Yeah, and that fits on there really nice like that. And so I go like a dish. So now I put the magnets in, put the cover on. This is a pressure fit. Push that down on there like, oops, down on there like that. And we should be able to get it going. So stay tuned. I still need to tweak out some things. It has a little bit of a wobble in it. And I'm not really sure if that's because it's not sitting flat or if it's just part of the plastic warping. I made sure that this didn't warp. I printed it on the Ender 3 V2 and it printed out great. I mean, that's a great printer. And I used, where are they? Oh, I have them over there. I have these special drill bits that flattened out the inside of here so that the magnets can sit flat. And of course, I'll do north, south, north, south. And because I've got 2 magnets from a different lot, I will put them opposite one another so I don't have to worry about the weight. All right, stay tuned. So I had a bit of a scare. I couldn't get the magnets in here. And I was like, wait a minute. I sized the hole correctly. I pre-fitted the magnets the last time. And so, I ran my deburring tool in there and it still wouldn't work. So then I remembered that I had those drills I was telling you about. And here they are. And this one is and it has this abrasive on here. It's kind of like a diamond grit. And it's the exact size. And I mean the exact size this hole is supposed to be. So once I did that, the magnets fit in there perfectly. Whew, I was freaking out, man. I was like, all that work. And I spent a couple of days on all of this because a lot of this needed to be redesigned, reconfigured. I had to redo a lot of stuff because it just wasn't working out correctly. A lot of test fitting because when you know have these parts that have to fit, you got to test fit a lot of stuff, and you don't want to print out something that's going to take an hour or two just to find out that it doesn't fit, so you print out a smaller version of it. That's what I did with this guy here. Anyway, the magnets fit, so I'm good to go. Stay tuned. All right, there it goes. So it's all set up. I just need to finish the coil and then I can get it running. VCR bearings are great. They spin forever. And I think this shield, and of course the press fit, was still, even with the use of the special drill bit, the press fit was extremely tight. So I think with the press fit and the shield, I think it should be all right. Anyway, stay tuned. I don't know if I'm going to use this shield. The shield doesn't sit on there completely flat, and it actually creates a bit of a wobble. Take the shield off, and I don't have any real wobble. I mean, a little bit, but not much. I don't know. We'll see. Stay tuned.